Starting a business is an exciting journey, but one of the most critical questions every aspiring entrepreneur must answer is, how much money do I actually need? Understanding initial capital requirements is the foundation of turning your business idea into reality. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to calculate the funds needed to launch different types of businesses and ensure you're financially prepared for success. Initial capital is the total amount of money required to start and operate your business until it becomes self-sustaining. Think of it as your financial runway. It's not just about covering your first month's expenses, it's about having enough resources to keep your business alive and growing until it starts generating consistent revenue that covers its own costs. This includes everything from your very first purchase to several months of operational expenses. Initial capital consists of four main components. First, startup costs, which are the one-time expenses needed to get your business running. Second, operating expenses, the ongoing costs required to keep your business operational day to day. Third, an emergency fund, which serves as a buffer for unexpected costs and challenges that inevitably arise. And fourth, growth capital, funds set aside for scaling and seizing expansion opportunities when they appear. Each component plays a vital role in your business's financial health. Startup costs are your one-time expenses that get your business off the ground. These include legal fees and business registration to make your business official. Equipment and technology purchases like computers, software, or specialized tools your business needs. Initial inventory or raw materials to create or sell your products. Office or retail space setup including furniture, fixtures, and renovations. And website development and branding to establish your professional presence. These are investments you typically make only once at the beginning. Operating expenses are your recurring monthly costs that keep your business running. These include rent and utilities for your business location, employee salaries and benefits if you have a team, marketing and advertising to attract and retain customers, insurance and licenses to protect your business and stay compliant, and software subscriptions and supplies for daily operations. A crucial rule is to have at least 6 to 12 months of these expenses saved up, because it typically takes time before your business becomes profitable. Capital requirements vary dramatically depending on your business type. An online business might need only $2,000 to $10,000, as it has minimal physical overhead. A small retail store typically requires $25,000 to $100,000 for inventory, location, and setup. A restaurant business is much more capital-intensive, often needing $100,000 to $500,000 due to equipment, licensing, inventory, and location costs. Understanding these ranges helps you choose a business model that matches your financial capacity. If you're working with limited funds, several business types require less than $5,000 to start. Freelance services like writing, design, or consulting have minimal overhead since you're selling your expertise. Dropshipping allows you to run an e-commerce business without holding inventory. Digital products such as online courses, templates, or software tools can be created once and sold repeatedly. Service-based businesses like cleaning, tutoring, or personal training require mainly your time and basic supplies. These models are perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start small and grow gradually. Calculating your capital needs follows a simple four-step process. Step 1, list all startup costs and one-time expenses you'll need to launch. Step 2, calculate your monthly operating expenses in detail. Step 3, multiply those monthly expenses by 6 to 12 months to determine your runway. Step 4, add a 20 to 30% buffer for unexpected costs because surprises always happen in business. This buffer could cover equipment repairs, market changes, or opportunities you didn't anticipate. Following this formula ensures you're financially prepared for both expected and unexpected challenges. Once you know how much capital you need, where do you get it? Personal savings is the most common source, known as bootstrapping, where you use your own funds. Business loans from banks or small business administration financing offer borrowed capital you repay over time. Investors like angel investors or venture capitalists provide funding in exchange for equity or ownership. And crowdfunding through platforms allows you to raise money from a community of supporters. Each source has different requirements, costs, and implications for your business ownership, so choose wisely based on your situation and goals. Let's recap the essential points. Capital needs vary dramatically by business type and model, so research your specific industry carefully. Always plan for 6 to 12 months of operating expenses as your runway to give your business time to succeed. Include a buffer of 20 to 30% for unexpected costs, because they will happen. And remember, start lean and scale as revenue grows. You don't need to have everything perfect from day one. Many successful businesses started small and expanded gradually as they proved their model and generated cash flow. With proper planning and realistic capital calculations, you'll be well positioned to launch and sustain your entrepreneurial journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.